To operate the cooktop, first you need to turn it on from here. Once it's turned on, you can move the knob to the desired heat. These are the location of the heat. This one is this one. And when it's hot, this LED is going to light. To turn it off, the opposite has to be done. First, take out the plate and then turn off the stove. This LED will remain on until this part is cold. So to do your meal, first turn it on, put it on and put your saucepan. Turn it off, take it out to 0 and then turn it off.